Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris with CSR Performance Films, installing some paint protection film on this limited production 1999 Lamborghini Diablo. As you see, we are going all in on this. The entire car is fully PPF'd, getting all of this underside done, courtesy of Suntech and Eastman, giving me some freshly scanned patterns for this vehicle. So what got me into PPF was pretty much my love for cars. And I mean, just my love for cars. I mean, I can't think of a better thing to do on a vehicle than help protect it, allow the customer to drive it to its full potential without compromising the beautiful look on the paint of the car. You know, I've been doing this for about 8 years now, almost. So definitely seen my fair share of beautiful rides, definitely seen my fair share of not so beautiful rides, but you know, everybody wants to protect their investment, essentially. You know, cars like this, a guy can buy this car whenever it was new for whatever the price, but I guarantee it probably doubled or tripled in that time frame. So we're 25 years later, we took off a bunch of OEM PPF, which was a blast. Left a few blisters, saved all the paint, went ahead, did a two-step paint correction on this vehicle, washed it, clay bar, the whole 9 yards. Now we're fully protecting it again, and we are going to apply a ceramic coating on top of that afterwards.
So how long would something like this last on this surface? Like, what's the durability lifespan of this?
Yeah, for sure. So the film comes with a 10-year warranty, courtesy of Suntech's Ultra film. There are films that do come in lesser warranties and longer warranty time frames. It kind of just depends on the type of film you're looking to get. But standard is about 10 years. It all comes down to maintenance as well. That's why we're throwing a ceramic coating on this. That will help with ease of cleaning, give it a nice, slick finish with a beautiful gloss, and then also it'll help keep that film protected from UV rays and everything harmful that goes with it. You know, oxidation, fading, everything like that. So, you know, maintenance is everything when it comes to these vehicles and these products. You know, if you're using the wrong soap and a bunch of chemicals or a bunch of car washes or just whatever, you know, over time that does degrade the films, coatings, whatever it is. But, you know, for the most part, a lot of these people that get these products, we try to educate on the proper maintenance going forward, you know, how to wash your car, the proper equipment or proper soaps and solutions and things like that to make their car easy to clean and give them the best result every time. You know, I've had so many cars that I love that I've done, from 918 Spiders to, I mean, this one's making the list, Lamborghini SVJs. Probably my favorite though would be a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. I recently completed that whole vehicle PPF last year, and that was actually a mobile install I did at the customer's house. So I went down, I took a bunch of my tools, equipment, my pre-cut patterns, went down there, spent almost a week down there in his very accommodating garage there, and had a blast working on that. So, hey guys, thanks for checking out this awesome project. If you guys are interested in learning on how to protect your vehicle just like we did with this one, feel free to give me a shout. Thanks.